to your next get-together, but you're like, oh, I'm not ready.
Right?
You're going to make it easy. I love it.
Brooklyn Maple, Kentucky legend. She is making it easy, and they look delicious.
So good.
I'm not kidding when I say when you bring stuff in, I'm like, okay, I can do this. I can do this.
That's what I'm here for. I'm just really here to simplify your life while making you look awesome while you do it.
We're rolling up the sleeves. Let's get into it.
So we had to dive into turkey, right? Because Thanksgiving, you're doing the whole turkey thing. Christmas, you're always doing ham. So we wanted to kind of lighten up the appetizer.
Okay.
That's good.
So we have two puff pastry, or two sheets of the puff pastry. We did a lightly floured work surface, and all I did was cut them 4 by 4, so we had 16.
Did you thaw it first?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I did. Always a good idea, because the second you try to open up those sheets, you're going to just crack them and ruin it.
Okay.
We have the oven currently preheated at 400 degrees, just so you guys know.
Okay.
So over here we have a big bowl. I'm going to give you the spoon.
Haha.
We have 4 ounces of our Kentucky Legend oven roasted turkey breast.
Boom. Easy.
Cut those up.
Okay.
Now, I do suggest they are pre-sliced, so we already made it easy for you. But I suggest cutting it a little bit smaller so that they actually,
little bites.
yeah, you want it to fit in there.
Cream cheese?
Yes, this is 4 ounces. The recipe calls for half a cup. If you're curious, that is half of a stick of cream
Thank you.
Making it
that easy.
Just half your stick of cream cheese.
There it is.
Then we have a half a cup of shredded Asiago cheese.
Okay.
We also have 1 tablespoon of grainy mustard, and this is amazing.
Love that.
Bam.
Thank you.
We have 2 teaspoons, excuse me, of freshly chopped parsley,
Okay.
and the same for chives.
You know what I like is when you're doing stuff like this, it makes it look like you spent a whole lot of time on it. You know what I mean?
And you're like, okay, so one bowl thing, and I love that.
Yeah. This is hot sauce.
Hot sauce.
1 teaspoon,
look
nothing
at
too
hot sauce.
crazy. And we're just going to mix that
Do you do a
up.
hot sauce or Tabasco? What do you prefer? Oh, you can't say?
I can't say. I just know that I have
I'll tell you what,
You have a favorite.
I like hot sauce, because I think it's more flavor than necessarily just like heat.
Yes, good point.
You know, so I like something that's got
I like whatever I've got in my cupboard.
Gotcha.
And that there are 3 or 4 different ones that I have. That,
Do you like how I handed that to you, because I knew it was going to be so much work?
It's fine. You know what? I needed a little arm workout.
Kelly's
This is
ready
good.
to tackle today. And
Now,
this is
you've
just
got this
stage
flour.
one.
Do you need
I
that
just
for
have
anything?
that here in case of emergency.
Okay.
Oh, in case you need it for this.
That's how we roll.
I just wanted to make sure we had it.
Kelly, you want me to dive in there with you?
Let's do this.
I'm
I
going to
think
switch
it's
here.
scary.
Swap
I
for you.
think we can just
smear
double
it.
spoon this.
And just so you know what we also did, I just took an egg. We beat an egg over to the side so we could give it a little bath.
To put a little glaze on it, make it pretty.
Yes.
I
And
think
if you
we're
want
ready.
to-
Yeah,
I think we are too.
Brooklyn, look at that. That was like ridiculous.
I'm going to reach in. Try not to elbow me in my face.
Okay. Okay, so you're going to put a little bit in the middle, and then what?
And then we are just going to pinch it. I'm going to show you how easy it is to pinch.
Pinch. Your nails look good.
Thank you. I did that for you.
That's
know you do.
definitely not coming to me. That compliment is not coming. I think I did my nails in 1998.
Yeah, see, so you did a really big spoon.
This is a problem. I always want to do more.
Which you can do it, it's just going to open up a little bit.
Okay.
You know, whenever you bake it, it'll just open up, which is totally
that's my
fine.
problem.
Okay, so the cheese is going to get like nice and gooey.
Oh, it's so, you're going to love this. You really
Okay, so
are.
just bring the corners together?
Yes.
Okay. I love that.
And then all you're going to do from there is you're going to put it on a parchment lined baking sheet. See, that still looks gorgeous. And then you're going to put on some of the egg wash.
I'm
How are
loading.
my nails?
Like this is what we're doing. Your nails look fantastic. This is what we're doing. We're doing an assembly line
You
so
guys
we
are
can
so
get as many done.
fast.
Look.
Are we?
Yeah.
Yes.
I like this. All right, you're doing the little egg wash. It's just plain egg, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's beautiful. Good times. Good times.
Okay.
And then
Look at that.
You know, this is easy enough. You could definitely.
And I'm going to show
have
you
your
how
kids
pretty
help.
they look.
Kids could do this.
Oh, kids can totally do this.
You know
Are you
what?
kidding? This is great.
Have them work for you. That's what I'm saying.
I'm going to burn one.
Working
Of course, I have
for
this sitting
you.
in the stove just a little bit.
Oh, that's all right. Don't worry about it. Just throw it
Bring
down.
it on in. Oh, look at that.
real
That's a
pretty.
good time.
See, if you fill them up a little bit too much, they'll open up, which is still no big deal. Now, these are
Yeah, they
really
still
hot,
look
much
pretty.
hotter than I thought they were. I'm not going to suggest biting those. I'm going to say we're going to go for them.
I'm eating this one.
I got to know when you
Safety
burn yourself.
first. I like the big ones that open up. I'm
Ooh,
into
that's
that.
good. That's
Aren't they
real
great?
good. You could even do a little dipping sauce.
Yeah, I had thought about that whenever we had first
Yeah.
made it, yes.
Oh my gosh.
I say anything with puff pastry makes you look like a serious chef, and it just has the best taste. Everything we've done with puff pastry has been like my favorite, honestly.
So good.
Ooh, let me show
Butter
you.
goodness, yes?
Ooh,
But
do you
wait,
like how I
there's
jump over
more.
here where the spoon is?
Oh,
So we have an amazing woman, Brittany Brown, who's on our social media. She handles all of that. So
We
if you
love you,
message
Brittany.
us, we will mail those out to you. and of course with a coupon too. So we do have these available for you. So don't forget to look us up on Facebook. We actually do have someone that is reading the messages and responding.
cool.
So we're really excited
Real
about that.
humans.
Yes.
Real humans will
that.
send you things from Kentucky Legend. I love that. Find them on Facebook, Kentucky Legend, or all the grocery stores. They're
So
usually
everywhere.
in my cart. KentuckyLegend.com. This recipe on our website at todayinNashville.com.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
Merry
ladies.
Christmas. We got to dive in for another one.
All right, save